Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix black horizontal lines appears on iPhone screen after iOS 18 update without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1, check for iOS update. Tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Tap on general. Tap on software update. If update is pending, download and install the update and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is you start your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen and release the power button and wait 5 to 10 seconds and you're starting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is go to Apple Store. If it's a hardware issue, you have to visit nearby Apple Store. They will check and let you know about the problem and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact westpod.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix black horizontal lines appears on iPhone screen after iOS 18 update is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.